Hey guys, welcome to my first shuffle. Is that how you say it? Shuffles? Chaffles? Whatever. Let's see. Waffles, shuffles. I think it's shuffles. Okay, anyway, this is my very first one. And I kind of made this up in my head. I seen how other people were doing it. Some might do it like me, but I wanted one to go with my Chinese food. So I added 2 eggs, half a cup of cheese, 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1/2 scoop of whey isolate powder, and some ginger and some minced garlic, pan spray, and a pinch of salt. That's all you need. And guys, I gotta tell you, it didn't taste eggy. I know people will think it tastes eggy, but it tasted just like a waffle with garlic and ginger on it. You know, instead of being sweet, it was like a zesty. It was pretty good. I was pretty excited about it. But this went with our egg roll in a bowl. I hope y'all enjoy it. These little waffle irons, they're cool. They're small and they're perfect. I mean, they're perfect for a hamburger, they're perfect for, you know, a sandwich, whatever you want with it. Heck, you can make waffles with it. But it was pretty easy. Not bad for my first one. That's my very first one. I didn't want mine to be crunchy. So I made mine this way. I'll probably try it with more cheese on it next time. Probably put some cheese down at the bottom and let it melt down, and put the egg over it, and then put cheese on top and push it down on it. I see it's crunchy when you do that, so I'm going to try it. Try not to make a mess. You don't need to fill the whole edges out. If you do, it's going to spill over. Be a mess. That's my very first chaffle. What do you think? Pretty good? Not bad. Anyway, I hope you try this and make up some new ones and post it and tag me. Let me know that you made your own chaffles. These run $9 at Walmart. You can get a waffle one, you can get a pancake one. They got one with a heart. I almost got it, but I thought, well, only for Valentine's Day. I wanted, you know, something for every day. We are wondering where the other shuffle went. He took it. Pretty easy to do. It takes about, I'd say I did about 3 minutes. But if you put more cheese on it, I think they say to do it 5. I'm not sure. But I hope you enjoyed it. Time for me to eat now. I'm getting my mess going on here. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Please smash that like button and share me out. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Just remember, everybody, I love you. Take care. And never forget to smile.